Hello my people, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. Guys, in this video we will learn why your website is not indexing in Google. You wait so long time, but when you check index your website index in Google Search Console, and you check there is only some pages being indexed, but most of them not indexed. There can be multiple reasons why your website not indexed properly in Google. The most of the reason, let me show you here. The website crawled, currently not indexed, as you can see 135 pages. So that most of the time your website not being indexed in Google. You can check here, crawled, currently not indexed. Google already crawled your website. Google already know there is some pages, 135 pages available on your website, but those are either not important content or thin content can be reason. But discovered, currently not indexed. Google already discovered your web pages, but there is it take time to crawl your website. Then after that Google will check how many URL or how many pages or article been written in good way, so then Google will index them. So here in this website the biggest issue was almost 80% duplicate content within the website. So that was one reason Google does not like his website and only index 22 pages. The website has 150 plus articles, some pages. There is nothing indexed properly. So let me show you how you can check duplicate content and how you can identify the issue in your website. So first of all, I will click on not index. Let me click on not index, scroll down, and you will find out the most of URL in crawled, currently not indexed. If I click on it and scroll down, and you will find out there are some URL Google did not consider them as important content. If I open any content, there might be an issue with the page, or the content does not available or has duplicate content. Sometimes there is a problem with the duplicate content when we use sidebar, and in every article we have these post duplicate content. This also cause duplicate content. Okay, when we use the same header in every post, the same sidebar, some keyword, and we stick some of keywords, those are visible in every blog post. If I open any other blog, then you will find out my sidebar still visible with the same information. That might cause duplicate content on your website. So let me give you a quick overview how you can check the problem and how you can fix indexing issue. To check your website issues in SEO, let me visit one website, that is Siteliner. If I visit Siteliner, let me click on the link, and you have to provide your website link here. Then after next step, I will teach you how you can fix it. Let me copy my website URL and paste into Siteliner and click on go. You have to wait here till it will check the website, because most of pages I already fixed. There was 80% almost content was duplicate content, marked as duplicate content, but still now we have 38% left here. And it will give you, as you can see, Siteliner scanned 172 pages on the website, and a large amount of duplicate content was found, your top issue. Okay, this issue, definitely Google does not like duplicate content. We need to fix this one. How we can easily fix this one? If I click on duplicate content, and it will give you list of the URL, you need to take action on those. If I see there is a huge list, almost 20 to 25 posts. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to delete all these blog posts that cause duplicate content. If I click any of this post, click on the link, and it will give you, as you can see, same issue here. There is a duplicate content, the trending word, there is a sidebar, the post highlighted because these keywords visible on every blog post, and that cause duplicate content, right? When we stick the sidebar, there is an information, definitely it will open into every article because we enable sidebar in the website, blog website, right? And you can see here we have a huge list of keyword highlighted here that are related to this particular article. The URL of this article: 10 steps to begin in freelance business. Let me search on my website. I will go to post, click all post, and search for freelance business, and it will pop up that particular link which mark as duplicate content. Okay, so I will take action on this one. Okay, 10 steps to begin a freelance business in 2022. Let me go ahead and delete this one. I don't need it because it causing my website duplicate content. So you have to check every URL you need to take action on, and you can see there is another same URL with same post. Okay, let me scroll down. I'm pretty sure there is another blog post under same topic, and there been used similar content or keywords on the blog post. Let me check. As you can see here, some of the posts: how to make money online, 5 ways to make money online. That very relevant article, but that might cause there are some keyword match each other, that cause duplicate content. Let me check out next one. Okay, let me click this particular source link. Okay, page duplicate content match word in social media marketing. Yes, because my article is belong to this category, social media marketing. So my duplicate content available into this category. 82 words matched. Okay, let me open this particular link: 10 steps to begin online business. Let me search for online business now. Online business. Yeah, here it is. 10 steps to begin online business. Let me delete this one. Okay, let me check some other. SEO, search engine optimization. Some of them those might be your category, right? Yeah, this is a particular category, SEO, because my blog has a SEO category. So then I have to check. In the right side, you will check every article where some keywords match. If there is, there is no sidebar right now. Okay, so we don't need sidebar. So let me go ahead, check some other links like how to rank YouTube video quickly. So keep find in your articles YouTube videos, find one by one. After you fix all the URL, and then after some days you will find out your website start indexing your URLs again, because the percentage of duplicate content will be reduced. Okay, let me delete this one also. How to rank a YouTube video. There are 2 articles in same content, so definitely Google does not like these multiple stuff. How to make money on YouTube. How to make money on YouTube. Let me delete all these. How to make money YouTube. There is another. So that's mostly cause duplicate content, I'm pretty sure, because I already have experience in this thing. I already help a lot of clients to get index in the Google or in the Bing. After you delete all the mentioned articles here, or the article, you have to check one by one. You can check the link, or you can check the title. You can copy title here and go to your articles, search this particular title, and it will give you that particular post you need to delete. Yeah, important elements for SEO. Good. Let me go back. Yeah, then next is how to make money YouTube. We already done. Free keyword research. Just copy the title from the title section. Go one by one. In crawl currently not indexed is most of the reason your website not being indexed, because most of your URL or articles show in crawl currently not indexed. So I'm going to give you one tip here. You have to open one by one link. For example, this link does not exit. Okay, let me open another one. Yeah, here it is, this one. Okay, so this is in the list of crawl currently not indexed. What I will do, I have to check this content. Either this content is duplicate content, or written copy from other website, or there is no any H1 H2 heading, does not have content detail like table of content. Okay, do one thing, you have to recreate this particular post. Okay, and make sure you have to check every error, grammar error there. If I edit this post, okay, you can do one thing, you can install Grammarly plugin on the Chrome, so that will check all the errors in the blog post. Okay, example, this is highlighted here in the red. Okay, Grammarly said there are grammar issue in the page. So if there will be a grammar issue, and Google will not index that particular article, because this is not valuable or has issue in the grammar. So you have to fix every paragraph, check, or you have to add some more words, make it more longer, more than 1200, 1500. The more length in detail article, Google love it. And then after you done recreate, then you have to, for example, this was top 5 factor. Let me open this one particular link and inspect URL. Okay, as you can see, it's not indexed on Google, but now we already fixed that one. Now you can click on request indexing again. Hopefully that will work and index properly. For the other issues like discover currently not indexed, you have to wait till Google start crawl your website, other left URLs. Okay, this way you have to configure every issue, why these issues coming out, and how you can fix this one. Example 404, definitely there is some URL either has been deleted or does not have content. You can open, definitely there will be not found. In this case, if any of your article you see in this list, for example, this is the blog post, create fast and cool website like a pro, either you can create the content in same title and use the same permalinks. If someone click, it will not go to 404 page. Let me give you example. Let me open this particular link, and the blog post is create fast and cool website like a pro. So I will use the same permalink. When I create post here, add new post, you can install Rank Math SEO plugin to check permalink or any other plugin. Okay, then you have to provide the title, same title. Okay, just in the title delete the dots. Okay, it will auto create the permalink as your permalink. Example, let me delete all this. That's all. Make the spaces. Now the permalink will come out the same permalink. Or you can do one thing. If you install Rank Math SEO plugin, click on the small icon, click edit snipped. You will able to see permalink option here. Just paste the very same permalink here like that. Okay, I have already pasted my link. Let me enter some words and click publish. Now if I will refresh, in that particular URL there will be a content. That means we already fixed that one. Now if I refresh this one, as you can see, there is a content now. Okay, now I will do inspect this particular URL and request for to index this again here. This way, in the some later time, you will see there is there will be more URL in index list, and not index list will be reduced one by one when you fix all the issues. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. If you have any query or you want to contact me, you can reach me via email. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.